Get lots of sleep, eat healthy foods, keep your body clean, be ready every day.
Welcome to Story Nanny. Laugh, learn and dream.
Scene 1. The night Milo forgot to sleep.
5 more minutes, the dinosaurs are having a battle.
His mom kisses his forehead.
Last few minutes.
But I don't want to stop.
I know, sweetie, it's getting late. Just one more adventure.
Next morning.
It's breakfast time. I don't feel like it. You look sad. Here, you can hold my bunny. Thanks, Zara. I feel a little better. I wanted to keep playing. Now everything feels hard. I yelled at my mom. I didn't mean to. It's okay, Milo. We all make mistakes. She'll forgive you.
That happens to me too. When I'm tired, Mr. Whiskers says I get grumpy bubbles in my tummy.
Grumpy bubbles?
Yeah. And the only thing that pops them is sleep. It's not a punishment. It's like tucking your brain into a cozy blanket so it can make tomorrow better.
That night.
Time for your pajamas, my little hero.
You need sleep for tomorrow's battle.
Sleep isn't the end of fun. It's love you give yourself. Scene 2. The day Maya's tummy hurt.
Ooh, my tummy hurts. So dizzy on the swings. Hi, I'm Luna. I have a little sister. She calls juice boxes sugar rockets because they make her fly, then crash. I crashed. My tummy feels so funny. And the swings are making me dizzy. I see you're not feeling well. I'm new too, so I know what alone feels like. You do? Hey, are you okay? I'm just a little sad. Come on, sit with me. I have a surprise. Wow, it's a rainbow lunch. Let's share. My mom says food is like building blocks. Different colors do different jobs. Red gives you power. Green helps you think. Brown is just for happy tastes, but not too much. I only have brown today. Want to share? We could be lunch builders. Make a fort on the table? Okay. Let's build crunchy. I like it. Yummy. This sandwich looks so tasty. Healthy food gives me lots of energy. And sharing food with my friends is the best.
Eating well is caring, and caring can start with sharing.
Look, Bunny,
Scene
my
3.
dragon is so
The mess
beautiful.
that
Its
ate
scales are
Zara's
stained
drawing.
glass. And the fire is like my mom's hair. I think it's perfect now. This dragon is going to be amazing. Now, where's my red crayon? It's buried under clothes, under books, under yesterday's. I hate these! I ruin! Whoa. Did a tornado love you very much? I just wanted to draw. Now I can't. And cleaning is boring and takes forever and... Can I see the dragon? Here you go. It's scared. See? The dragon is looking at the mess. Dragons need caves, clean caves, or they can't sleep. What if we help? Not because we have to, because the dragon needs us.
They make it a story.
Don't worry, Maya. The clothes collector is here to save the day. Only I, the dragon guard, can decide what stays and what goes. Look! Under the pillow! The red crayon! You found it! Next to Mr. Whiskers! I thought I lost it. But I just lost me in all this stuff.
Your things matter, and friends make hard things lighter. Scene 4. Luna's secret.
Come on, it's quick. Just a little more. No! Stop it! No! Please, little star. Just for a minute.
She bites his finger. He doesn't yell, but his eyes get wet. Zara is sleeping over. She sees this from the door. Behind the door, Zara says, "But who is helping you?" Luna stops.
Myself. My dad says, you can't pour from an empty cup. You're a good brother. But you need to be good to Luna too.
They make it a team thing. Zara brushes with Luna's sister.
Okay, your turn, little tickle monster. Me too. All right, your turn now, Luna.
Taking care of yourself lets you take care of others. That's not selfish, that's smart. Scene 5. The morning everything almost went wrong. The first day of the Lantern Festival. The biggest day of the year.
Where is my cape? It's not here. Did you take it? I need my cape now. Come on, let's go find it. Maybe it's on the wall hook. I forgot Mr. Whiskers. I have to go get him.
Maya wears 2 different shoes. She was nervous. Luna has no snacks. He gave them all to his sister. Everyone is excited. Everyone is rushing. But
We're going to miss it. This is bad.
Wait, remember when we found red crayon? When we made lunch a castle? When we brushed teeth together?
We help each other. That's what we do now.
Mr. Whiskers, I'm coming! Maya, look, your shoe is a puppet!
And Milo's cape is under his bed.
Go, Zara!
I'm home. Mr. Whiskers? Hey everyone, my mom packed extra snacks.
Wow, thanks, Maya.
Hold on. Keys, tickets, hugs for moms.
Got my keys and a big hug.
Perfect. Group hug.
they make it just in time. At the festival, they light paper lanterns. 4 friends, 4 lights rising together. Maya speaks for the first time that day.
I was scared I'd mess up. But we didn't have to be perfect. We just had to be together.
The real magic words, "I'm still learning. Let me help. We can try again tomorrow. You're not alone." If you like the story, subscribe, like, share.